Breast pump settings. Are you confused? A full-term baby normally sucks at a rate of around 120 sucks per minute to encourage your first letdown. Breast pumps normally have a letdown setting around 70 sucks per minute. Use the fastest you can for the first 2 minutes or until milk starts to flow. A full-term baby normally has a maximum suction of 220 to 240 mmHg. Breast pump settings normally range from 50 to 250 mmHg. Average nutritive milk flow rate for a full-term baby is up to 60 sucks per minute. Breast pump settings normally range from 38 to 54.